Imagine this, a world where computers can not only comprehend and respond to text, but also generate images from mere descriptions. Isn't it fascinating? Welcome to the realm of AI image generation and prompt engineering. AI image generation is like teaching a machine to be an artist. More than just a painter, it's like a science fiction illustrator, conjuring up images of things that don't exist, or recreating things that do, all based on your descriptions. It's like having a genie in a lamp, but instead of 3 wishes, you have an infinite number of images at your disposal. So how does this magic happen? It's all about algorithms. These are sets of rules that the AI follows to create the images. It's trained on thousands, sometimes millions of images. It learns the patterns, the shapes, the colors, and then applies that knowledge to create something new. It's like a child learning to draw, but at an exponentially faster pace. Now, let's dive into the world of prompt engineering. It's like being a director in a movie, but your actors are words and your stage is the AI's brain. You give the AI the cues, the prompts, and it responds accordingly. The idea is to give the AI a nudge in the right direction. For instance, if you want the AI to generate an image of a sunset, you wouldn't simply say sunset, you might say a breathtaking sunset over a serene ocean. The more specific and detailed your prompt, the better the result. Now you might be wondering, how can one monetize these skills? Well, the opportunities are endless. From graphic design and digital marketing to game development and virtual reality, the applications are vast. Imagine being able to create unique, never-before-seen designs for clients in a matter of minutes. Or developing immersive gaming environments without the need for complex 3D modeling. The potential for income is as limitless as the images the AI can generate. And the best part, you don't need a degree in computer science to get started. There are countless resources available online to guide you on this journey. From online courses and tutorials to forums and communities of like-minded individuals, the information is out there waiting for you to seize it. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI image generation and prompt engineering. Master these skills, harness the power of AI, and transform your career. It's not just about making money, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's about creating a future where art and technology come together in the most extraordinary ways. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. So take that step today. Start learning, start experimenting, and most importantly, start creating. Your future as a digital freelancer awaits. Let the magic of AI be your guide.
Feel free to contact me for your content creation needs or training on AI image generation. My link is below.